Hi guys, welcome back to a Mr. Mysteries unboxing. And today we're unboxing a massage cup that you usually, if you go to a massage clinic, they usually manufacture a massaging cup. They'll do these, but I wanted to get one of these to do for all my training at the gym. And I was reading online that this is pretty similar to what you get in the massage clinic. You get different temperature modes and pain relief like levels. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Okay, this is the outer display of the box. Let's open it up. Alright, so we have a manual here. Oh, yeah, the temperature control, suction, strength, and power mode. Okay. Charging instructions, all the good stuff. And there's a little cleaning and maintenance as well. All right. Don't know what these are. Read up on them. So we get our USB Type C charger here. Don't know what these are. But here is the massage cup. So you got the USB Type C charging port there. So you get different ones with the power button, temperature control, suction levels, and a release button. Looks pretty decent. Can't wait to charge it up and see how this actually works. I think there's anything else in the box here. I think that's all, yeah. Not bad. Does this come off? Does it come off? Oh, it does. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing this is where these things go, I guess. All right, you're definitely gonna try it out and see how it is. Oh, I'm about to break it.